Welcome everybody to certsoft.net. We are a cloud-based learning management system, otherwise known as the LMS. The goal of our system is to help people with their online learning needs. So let's give you a couple examples of who we service. We have National Notary Council. They are an online notary school, so you can become a notary by utilizing this school. So you go in here, you can choose your notary package, enroll in this class, and it'll give you the 6-hour training that somebody needs to become a notary. We also utilize it in the traffic school industry, so if you for some reason accidentally got one of those speeding tickets, you can utilize a learning management system that we have built for Citation Station, and they can go to our school, take a online driver's ed course. After the completion of the driver's ed course, information will be sent to the DMV and it'll automatically clear your ticket. Another thing that we also are bringing on board right now that we're really excited about is Catering Toolbox. These guys have come to us. They do nothing but video training on becoming a catering company. So we're going to be transforming from their old system that has been working very well over to our new system to allow them to hopefully expand to new markets. So let's go ahead and give you a quick tutorial on how this actually works. One of the people that we also have is a online driver's ed, so it's a Bakersfield Driving School, one of our newer clients. So from here, a student can come in here and register for one of their driver's ed courses. This is for the educational portion of the course, but they can also sign up for behind the wheel courses as well. Obviously, we're not giving the behind the wheel training with this, we're just giving the online driver's ed portion of this course. So as you may notice, we do have a couple different packages available from the school. So this is also managed directly on our certsoft system. So let's jump over and jump into the back end of our certsoft system really quick. So as you'll notice, this will be the admin portion of our system. So once you can log into it, you'll see some general reports that are going on, profit that you've made currently, list of current students who have signed up within your system, and then all your management tools that you would need. So if we go over to the manage section and you go over to our packages, here are the packages. As you'll notice, you have the $19.95 package, the $249 package, and the $349 package. So let's go ahead and click on the $19.95 package. So as you'll notice, this package is the same as this $19.95 package that is right here. So if the admin wants to make a change to this, all he'll have to do is make the change to the price here and hit the update button, and it will then become reflective on the front end of his website. We are utilizing this through shortcodes. So if you go ahead and edit the page, the only shortcode that we have, so here is now the back end of the website. So right here you can notice if you click on this little box right here, there is a certsoft shortcode that is being displayed, which shows the package ID for package ID 1. So this is the actual button that connects the front end of the client's website to tie it into the purchasing of that package. I'll go ahead and show you that in a second. So what we have also done is developed a certsoft, what's it called, plugin that is then set up and ties into our certsoft system. So it starts pulling over all of the information from our system directly into WordPress. So let's go back over here now to the packages that we were showing a second ago. So once we go ahead and select this $19.95 package, you will notice that it automatically adds the online driver's ed to the cart, and now we want to go ahead and complete the order. It will then take us to the registration section of this. So now we need to put in the first name, and we'll go ahead and create an account. So at this point in time now, it takes you to the credit card section of the website. So from here we do have an online secure credit card system that ties in directly with this system. So at this point we're going to go ahead and show you how to manage different courses within the certsoft system. So once we're going to jump back over to the management, and we're going to manage, and we're going to go over to courses. So from here, this is our dev system, so you can see we have a few different courses we've been playing around with at this point in time. So you can either go ahead and click on add a new course. If you add a new course, it'll bring up a page that looks similar to this. Here you'll have the title of your course, the description of your course, any disclaimer that you need to have. This disclaimer will pop up as soon as the student starts to take the course and they have to agree to the terms and conditions. If you have a license for the course, you put your license information in here. You can actually categorize all of our courses right now. Let's see if we have a category. So if we wanted to categorize this under traffic schools, so now as a student on the front end is looking for traffic schools, they'll only be able to pull up the traffic schools once they've clicked on this category. You can set a price for the individual course. This is the a la carte price. We can set up chapter exams. So if we have exams, you can also go ahead and set the passing score. If you want to have it shuffle, it'll shuffle the questions, or you can set it to be static, so it leaves the statics and the questions the same exact order. And then down here is the part most people are looking at. So we have our chapters. So if you want to click and edit a chapter. So now we have our chapter content. If you want to add photos, we can add photos in this section. This is actually just the same type of WYSIWYG as you would see with WordPress. If you want to go into our quiz questions, you can add quiz questions. So we already have one quiz question set up over here, so we can go to the quiz question. So we have the quiz question. So from here you put in fish swim. The answer is true. The answer is false. If you wanted to add another question, they walk. And at this point in time, we can then choose what the correct answer is. So if we want to change that one from the correct answer over to this one, all we have to do is do that, update the quiz question, and now it has changed the quiz question. We have actually added an answer to it, and we have chosen a different answer from this one time. So we've actually added another cool section, and it's our coupon section. So from here you would go over to your manage, and we would go to coupons, and this will take you to the coupon section. So if we wanted to add a new coupon, let's just go ahead and click add new coupon. So all we'd have to do is go in and title the coupon. So we're going to go 50% off course. So let's go ahead and put a promo code in for this one. And from here we're going to choose our option from subtract from price to, we're going to go ahead and change this one to percentage off. So the percentage off is going to be 50. We can set a start date and an end date if we'd like to. We can limit how many times somebody can utilize this coupon, so we're going to allow the first 15 people to be able to utilize this coupon code. We can add items to it. Right now we're not going to worry about that, but if you want to add an item, so only certain courses would be allowed to have 50% off, we're going to leave it open, leave it to 0 for all, and we're going to copy this coupon 5 times. I'll show you why we're doing this here in a second. So let's go ahead and add the coupon. So here are the coupons that we just ended up creating. So we have our free 50 as the code. So we also have a hash code right here. So the cool thing about this is somebody can sign up by utilizing the free 50, but if we'd have left this blank, it wouldn't have given us a code. It would only give us this hash code. So what we can do with the hash code is we have integrated the hash code to work directly with Groupon. So over here you'll notice that Become a California Notary is running a Groupon course. So you can go ahead and purchase a Groupon from the Become a California Notary. So what we will do is we will take this hash code right here, and this will be the promo code that the person will use for the Groupon. And every time somebody purchases a Groupon, you buy the Groupon, it'll automatically send them that hash code individually, and they will be able to put that in at checkout and receive your course at sign up. The last thing that I'm going to go over with you guys is how our system is set up, and it's been set up to be made with modules. So right now I've shown a few different courses that we have available with this. So the question comes into, well, how do you manage the different courses, and what features are on my course versus on somebody else's course, and I want to have custom features on mine that nobody else wants to have. So what we did was we set this up to be all modular. So we can enable and disable different features. So we can activate and deactivate different modules. So if we needed to have the DMV API for the DMV section, and we have a module set up for Salesforce, so we can create an individual module for any type of need that any client may have, integrate that directly with your website, and either make it available to everybody, or if it's something custom just for you, then it's only available on your website. So that gives us the total flexibility to be able to do whatever we'd like to with the system and customize it to your specifically exact needs. So if you have any questions, please give us a call or email us at support@certsoft.net. Thanks, and have a great day.